Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to strike through text in your Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is highlight over whatever text you want to strike through, and then go up to the Home tab at the top and select the little icon that has letters and then a line going through it. This is strike through. Cross something out by drawing a line through it, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.